I just got a flash flood warning. We just got a flash flood warning, and I'm gonna go out and vlog and take some pictures. I see an ambulance in front of me.
Speaking of, who's this guy that?
Shit's all flooded to the over the bottom of that car. Yeah, my lenses are fogging up, but yeah, this whole side street, that's Bell right there. It's going down. Alrighty, so around this whole area, it's pretty much like this. Like everything's blocked off where all the heavy flooding is. Alrighty guys, so here's Pulliam. This is a house in the middle of the road. Right there, like on that Pulliam, right in front of that Taco Bell in front of Pulliam. And then all down this direction, all these streets I've been trying to come down, they're flooded, and there's like rescue parties in there. So we got a whole tree stump over here. And there also is 2 cars on the back side of that house too with it. This is like the loop right here, and then this is what's flooding Bell Street. And then that's Bell Street right there. You can hear it. Water smells like shit. There's a car stuck in there. I don't know how long it's been there. This is Bell Street right here. And then that water came from over there, and then it's all over here to this neighborhood. The house is flooded out. A lot of people here looking around. You got hella people passing through here looking. Got all these people coming out of the Lakeview area down Chadburn. Down here you have hella firemen that have it blocked off and everything. That whole field, this building, all under. You got all this water flooding into that hole over there. I kid you not, there's people playing in the water.
People are forced to develop personalities.
It's so true.
Because they spend half the year inside.
Got a family over here. Hope they're okay. Got this guy coming through with his bike. This is like 19th and Bell Street. I think they're finna try to get this car out of this truck out of there.